Our leader, Chief Engineer Chukwemeka Woke, and the Director General of NASFA. So we congratulate Mr. President and congratulate our leader, Chief Wike. We also want to use this opportunity to thank our indefatigable member of the River State House of Assembly, has shown us that all of those times we spent in our various units, wards, and collation center to return her, we are not wasted. There are those who voted that have run away with our mandate. But don't bother, be that as it may, it is just a matter of time they will come back. So we want to use this opportunity to thank our representative. You are truly a representative. And we want to use this opportunity to put the question. I will put the question that all those who say that Honorable Justina Meji has truly represented us in the River State House of Assembly. Say aye. The ayes have it. So, Kanano na bele kezi on woguano ono beke woguano ono gai ambele no blachi hume obare ngebe kwate ame kwate oya so ba go a wala na di mo dem barista ege ozi keme badi age bo me kwate meka ama local government meka PDP.
The very essence of our being here this morning, we are not antagonizing the Nigerian police. They are our friends, like the chairman has said. And we are in support of what they are doing, which is keeping the tranquility, the peace of our people. We, some time ago, or the last week, had what happened in Omoma, where a police officer was shot. In Ahoda East, former student unionist was shot. In Omoma too, Ospak vigilante member was shot. These are the things that aroused the interest of the Nigerian police to say they are going to occupy the councils in order for further tensions not to escalate. And that is the reason why we are here. So we are not here against the police, but we are here to support the police. Yes. And we are saying that the rule of law must be maintained. Yes. Exactly. Everybody is aware, Nigerian society is aware that we have a Supreme Court matter for which arguments have been taken and the matter have been adjourned for decision. We are all awaiting the decision of the Supreme Court, which may come up any day, any time. River State is a part of that action because the Attorney General represented the River State. And the law is that when parties are in court, you don't take advantage of the process. When parties are in court, when people are in court, none of the persons who is a party to that action is allowed to take advantage of it. And then in Court of Appeal, we have 4 existing appeals. 4 existing appeals, including the appeals that is attacking the judgment of Justice Kio Deketema, PhD. That appeal, arguments have been taken and judgment has also been reserved. And the law is that when a party has appealed the judgment of court, and there was no execution before the appeal was entered, he is not allowed in law to obey that judgment. And we are not obeying that judgment because we know that we are in the court of appeal and we are waiting for the appellate court to pass its judgment. So we are on the part of the rule of law. And we are also on the part of the directive of the Inspector General of Police. So the idea of using yes, what happened the last week Tuesday, because it was a public holiday, we were not here, and some persons who claim, some riotous persons came and acted in a calamitous manner and took over the council. They took over the council, and then when we returned on Wednesday, they ran away. So we are telling them that we are putting our vigilant eyes, our eagle eyes on them, and we are also on the council, and we are also looking at the police. We don't want the compromise. We need neutrality in this matter, and that is why we are here. We don't want labor unions, because that is the reason why this whole thing has arisen again. The labor union, NOGE, TUC, and all the rest of them at the weekend issued a publication to the effect that they are coming to the councils to eject or evict the police, and we have decided to come so that we can face them headlong. Unfortunately, we are not seeing anybody here. We are not seeing anybody here. They want to play politics. Yes, then we will take the mud of politics and rob them. The poto politics will get to them. So we start 24 hours to do the games of politics. That is why we are here.
Well, the issue we saw the advisory from the Commissioner of Police through the PRO of the command, and what we did today was not in any way in violation of the police authorities. What we did was to be vigilant. You know, we try to avoid a situation where the Nigerian Labour Congress, the TUC, and other affiliate bodies will not sell a dummy to us. Recall that they too had said they were going to shelve their planned protest. But at all times, we are enjoined to be vigilant. That people who are here in solidarity with the police, just in case the NLC turned politicians, TUC turned politicians, NOLGE. You know that NOLGE is part of the illegal caretaker committee. NOLGE and other affiliate bodies have descended into the arena of politics. So we are just being vigilant. We came to keep vigil. We didn't come to protest. You know, we've been here since last night. The Bible says, watch and pray, because the enemy comes at night. So we have been here since last night. So it was just this morning. We got the advisory from the State Police Command, and you were with us. You saw how orderly we were. We conducted ourselves properly. That is the difference between we and them.
So, what would you say is your objective, of this protest?
The objective,
yes,
is to maintain the peace first and foremost. Because if the LGA goes up in flames, there will be nobody to lead. So our followers have been very well behaved. The objective is to the local government, as it were, the way they've been parading. Tuesday last week, during the public holiday, some intruders invaded the council headquarters and said they had taken over. So we thought it was a military coup, only for us to find out later that there were members of they call themselves Simplified Movement or so. So that's why we came here. In solidarity with the police, we are happy with what the Inspector General has said, despite the fact that it has also caused us some inconvenience in terms of discharging our statutory duties. But where there is a contestation, the police stands in the middle, and that's what they have done. We do not want to, because of what we are doing, lose any life. No one person's blood. What we are doing now cannot equate anybody's blood. So we rather continue to maintain the peace until the court starts speaking one way or the other. So we will not take laws into our hands, and we do not expect that other people will take laws into their hands.